UFC was on. So I was out having a smoke watching the UFC, and a very drunk Ukrainian guy comes up thinking I'm his buddy. So he starts speaking Ukrainian to me, gives me like a hug, like reaches around my back to like look at the phone. So I'm like, okay, you want to watch the fight? Sure. And then he realizes I'm not his buddy. He's like very, very apologetic. And I'm like, no, it's okay. We had just a very interesting conversation. Took a photo with the guy. Shout out David, 27. Father's from Siberia. It's always interesting the people you meet.